Hello there, friends, and welcome to the Prism Path Knit Swoncho for chart number 4. Hey there! By now you should have completed your Swoncho all the way up through chart number 3, and you're ready to tackle chart number 4. So let's go ahead and take a look. As you can see, chart number 4 has a stitch pattern repeat of 8 stitches, and it has a row or round repeat of 13 stitches. That means this section is going to be a little bit bigger than all of the other sections we have worked. Now, one of the things about this section I want to point out is that you will be using this color right here. For me, it's color F, which is the indigo heather color, the darker purple. You will use this color throughout this entire section. And when all is said and done with this section, you're going to notice that you don't have a whole lot of that color left. I will tell you that in any of the remaining areas that we will use color F, I did have enough yarn remaining on my sample. But in future charts, if you're like, I don't want to push it, I think I might change one of the colors in this section from F to G or something, I have no idea. And you have enough of whatever color you choose, you absolutely could do that. It's totally up to you. But I did want to mention that you do have enough of your color F to complete this chart and to complete the entire rest of the Swoncho whenever color F is used in future charts. But it gets a little scary when you're getting to the end because you're like, man, it just doesn't look like there's a whole bunch left. So for this part of the pattern, you will be carrying your color F throughout this entire stitch pattern and throughout this entire chart. You will change colors for all of the other sections, okay? Now, I did use a total of 5 colors on this chart. And if you wanted to change it up and use more colors or fewer colors, you could do that. Just remember that will change your yarn amounts needed for your overall piece. So make sure you're aware of that. And those of you who are in the VIP experience, you already know that you can click on that Stitch Fiddle link and really customize this chart to use the colors that you are using on your piece. All right. So we are going to change colors after round 2. We're going to change it to the conch color on round 3, 4, and 5. Then we drop the conch color and we pick up this Arctic color for 6, 7, and 8. Then we drop that. We pick up the mint and julep for 9, 10, and 11. And then we go back to the lighter purple, which is Lady Slipper, for 12 and 13. Now, of course, I'm using the names of the yarn that I use, but you can always apply the whole color A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all to those colors as well. I had a lot of fun doing this section. I think if I had it to do over, I probably would have done 1 or 2 more colors in the mix. I probably would have added another color on round number 7 and made that so I was using 3 colors on that round. I might have done that also on round 3 and round 11, but that's okay. I did finish this chart and I do like the way it looks mingled in with the overall look of the full yoke of the Swoncho and all of the charts and all of the color play. I think it's a really good addition to the Swoncho. So I do want you to have a lot of fun in this section. Remember that you do need to maintain gauge. Okay, so try really hard not to get too tight as you're floating from one stitch across the back, a couple of stitches to the next stitch. Make sure you keep those floats nice and consistent. If you find that your work is getting too tight on your needles, you can always go up to a longer needle, same size needle, just a longer needle to accommodate the number of stitches if you want to do that. Other than that, have fun. Make sure you snap pictures and share with me on social media. I can't wait to see your work. All right, everybody, that's it for me, your By Crafty Bestie. I'm Marley Bird. Bye.